Hey guys, Eleh here with another tech episode. Today I'm going to talk about one of many cool Microsoft inventions, that is the Surface Go. A huge thanks to Microsoft Singapore for the middle loan. We received the one with Pentium 4415Y processor with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of SSD. The Alcantara fabric keyboard and a Surface Pen was included too. So you might question what exactly is the Surface Go? Is it a tablet or a mini PC? For who is it made for? Why would you buy it? Haven't we seen enough of tablets already? I've been using the Surface Go for the past few weeks and I will say that it has been a great experience and it exceeded my expectation. First of all, the build is fantastic. Look at the smooth corners which can deceive you into thinking it's fragile, but no, once you touch and knock the metal body, it feels really premium. So much the same as the Surface Pro with its magnesium build. Well, you probably think that it looks kind of thick, but the Surface Go has a similar spine, hinge, as the Surface Pro, which is the fully articulating kickstand. I am super impressed with its free movement. All tablets should come with a kickstand this cool, right? And you probably think that it is heavy, but it is super light, weighing around 0.5 kg, and combined with the Alcantara keyboard, it weighs at 0.77 kg. Typing may seem awkward at first, but the well-spaced layout of the type cover actually makes typing a breeze. The type cover also comes with backlighting, which illuminates keys, a very well thought design. The trackpad, as in the precision trackpad, is the ace of spades here because Microsoft uses a similar trackpad as the Surface Pro. It is smooth and comfortable to use. It also supports a 3-finger gesture. It's when you swipe the 3 fingers up, it will open task view and you can see all your open apps. Swipe 3 fingers down to show the desktop. Swipe 3 fingers either left or right to switch between your open apps. And slide your fingers slowly across the touchpad to flip through them all. Also, there's enough room to rest both my hands and it's very comfortable. Let's talk about the display pixel sense, which is 1800 x 1200 pixels. When it comes to the display, the Surface Go really excels. While watching videos, the colors look brilliant with its 216 ppi resolution and the screen brightness is surprisingly brighter. You might think that the bezels are huge, which I agree, it looks cramped, but for a 10-inch table laptop, you have to take note of the features around the bezels. Features at the Windows Hello that speeds up your login by facial recognition rather than typing your password. The front-facing speakers, which you can see on the bezels, really produce loud and clear sound. Another cool feature you can notice will be the magnet that can stick the Surface Pen. The magnets are super strong though. So I really can't complain about the thick bezels for all the reasons mentioned. Let's look at the Surface Pen, model number 1710. This is actually the older version, but it really works well with the Surface Go. This means that when you have an older version, Microsoft makes sure that it suits with current or future Surface products. When drawing in the Paint 2D app, I had a great experience. This pen is definitely becoming my favorite tool. Surface Go actually supports tilt to handle better shading. It works seamlessly with creative apps like Adobe Photoshop Elements, Sketchable, Drawboard, PDF, etc. But you have to pay for all these apps actually. Only the 3D Paint app is free. Let's talk about the ports. While this model comes with a 128 SSD, you can actually expand the storage with a micro SD card up to 1TB. USB-C is becoming important these days. You can actually charge your phone whenever it is out of use. You can also connect it to your monitor that supports USB-C, like the Dell 27 USB-C monitor. And you can also wirelessly connect to your TV for better viewing pleasure. Also, I found out that it works well with any USB-C type earphones, like the Pixel wired earbuds. Nice one, Microsoft. And also, not forgetting the 3.5mm headphone jack for all you audiophiles. Let's talk about the S mode, because this device comes default with Windows 10 Home, but in S mode. So, what is exactly S mode? Here is the detailed explanation from the website. So if you want to exit and install your favorite apps, so overall, I'm really glad that I get to test this little beast for the past 2 weeks. The performance is not so blazing fast, but it's fast enough for my computing needs. Like for example, note-taking, illustration, all-day Netflix, and YouTube. Lastly, the battery life is awesome with up to 7 hours of usage, although Microsoft claims that it can last for 9 hours also. So, with all being said, what do you guys think? Is the Surface Go for you? Head over to any Microsoft outlet to test this great device. I hope you find this review helpful, and if you enjoy it, please like it and share the video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.